What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Portugal's Ironworks. Today we're basically going to be fixing a little machine that's fucked up. But before we get to that, if you're new to my channel, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, the bell button for upcoming videos, welding videos, repair videos, mobile welding, shop welding. You know, if you're into that kind of stuff, hit the like button and stick around, man. My name's Rick. I'm 27 years old. I'm married. Here I am, welding, working hardly working. My name's Rick. I'm 27 years old. I've been welding now for 3 years, independent. If you're thinking about getting into welding, you know, you should. It's a good fucking trade. Stick around, guys. Hit the like button, the subscribe button. I'll be welding gates. I'll be welding all kinds of shit. You know, I'll be repairing shit. I'll be mobile welding. I'll be welding here in the backyard in the shop. Alright, guys, so basically what we got going on, my fucking chop saw fucked up, right? So I can't use it. This is my chop saw. Let me show you. This is my chop saw. As you guys can see, it's been down for quite some time. I've been using my grinder, cutting the material with the grinder instead of using the chop saw, which is it's time consuming, so I cannot really be doing that all the time. So basically what happened to this chop saw, bam, you see this, guys? That's what happened to my chop saw. So we're gonna run to Home Depot, we're gonna get an adapter, and yeah, I'm gonna just do a video on how to replace this shit, because you know, I mean, I didn't know how to replace it when I started fabricating and whatnot. You know, there's little shit like that people don't know, that is very that you need to know. You know, it's very important to know little shit like that, because the other day I was working, and I was out there in the field installing some gates and welding and shit, and next thing you know, what was it? It was I was installing some doors, right? So what happened, guys, was that I was using my drill to do the holes, and I was using the impact to tighten up the bolts, right? And what happened was that on my impact, I believe it is, let me check it out. So on my impact, which is this cord right here, I remember, look, you see, it's not the original adapter for this Bulldog. This is not the adapter. I changed it. Same shit that happened to my chop saw happened to my drill. I wasn't able to drill through the concrete, so I have to run down to Home Depot and exchange it real quick. It takes no more than 5 minutes, guys, to change this shit, you know. I didn't know how to change it when I first started going out here by myself, until, check this out, guys. This is my impact. This is when I learned how to change the motherfucking adapter. This is the adapter for my impact. And you guys can see that one's more newer. This one's old. I use them. This is the ones that I like to get. We're gonna go to Home Depot right now and get it. But yeah, guys, like I said, I didn't know how to change it when I first started doing this shit. Sergio, he was the one that taught me how to change it, and I'm thankful for that, because like I said the other day, I was out there in the field, my shit fucked up, and luckily I already knew how to change it. I mean, it's common sense, you know. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get, these are some doors that I have right now that I gotta go put on during the week. There's another door. Alright, my fellow YouTubers, my welders. So right now we're on the truck. We're on our way to Home Depot. We're about to go get that little adapter so you can connect your machines to the wall. Like I said, guys, it's something that's not hard to do. You know, you can do it yourselves in case when you're in the field and I mean shit happens, you know. Sometimes you pull your extension cord, you pull it the wrong way, or you know, you don't do, you know, like you're not supposed to pull your tools from the cords, you know, because shit fucks up, you know, and shit fucks up and you're in the field and that's your fucking ass, you know. But yeah, guys. City of Norwalk, Artesia, Elaine, and 166th Street. That's where we're at right now. Look at that squirrel, guys, look. Y'all see that squirrel? It's gonna die. Coming from parking. Took my parking fucker. My busted ass boots. Home Depot. Whoa. Oh. So we found this one. Now we just gotta go pay for it. The truck, as you can see, we're already on our way back to the garage. So basically what I paid for this shit is like, I basically paid like, hold on, give me a minute. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I paid $3.96, $4. I paid $4 for the connector. Once you're at the electrical place, you know, there's gonna be the male ones, which are these, and there's gonna be the female ones, which are the ones that you connect these into the other ones. That's all you gotta do, man. And for $4, if you're having a bad day, your shit breaks down, hit the fucking Home Depot store, local, the one that's nearby, and go get people out there. There's guys out there that are gonna be starting on their own. And well, little shit like this, you always need to know. What are you gonna do if it breaks down? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna go buy a fucking whole new machine? Hell no, brother. All you gotta do is go to your local Home Depot store, get that adapter, bam, I'll connect it. Now, right now, when we get back to the garage, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys how to connect it. We're gonna test it out. Hopefully, the whole fucking house don't burn down. And we'll go from there, man. What's up, Bonnie girl? Spooky boy. What's up, spooky boy? Alright, guys, so we got a turtle right here in the backyard, right? This should be humping anything and everything. I don't know if you guys see that it's standing on the brick. Fucking humping the brick, you guys. It's funny because it'd be like making some noises and shit. Alright, guys, so basically all you need for this, all you need is a blade, so you can be able to cut this off, and all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, the cross screwdriver, right, guys? So that's what we're gonna get right now. So we're gonna come right here to my little tool crate. We're gonna need this, right? And we're gonna be needing this blade right here. So that's all we need, guys. Now, let's go back over here.
We're basically gonna cut this shit off, right?
So we already did the white one. Now we gotta do the black one. Same shit. Put it around. You gotta be careful because then you can cut the wires and you don't want to cut the copper or whatever that shit is. You don't want to cut the rubber. So now you got the white and black, right? Got your screwdriver. Connect it. Now this is the first time that I'm gonna use this kind, the round one, but I'm guessing it's the same. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and pull it out, that you get a good little grip outside of all this. So we already did the white one, now we gotta do the black one. Same shit. Put it around. You gotta be careful because then you can cut the wires and you don't want to cut the copper or whatever that shit is. You want to cut the rubber. So now you got the white and black, right? Got your screwdriver. Connect it. Now this is the first time that I'm gonna use this kind, the round one, but I'm guessing it's the same as the square one. Alright guys, so that's all you guys gotta do. Just stick those things in there with a Phillips screwdriver. Now we're gonna tape this up. Yeah. Then you're just gonna put that piece back up. This ain't no electrician tape, but it's gonna work, all right? It's pretty damn good tape too. Gotta close it up. Screw it up. Well, now we're just gonna try it out. It's connected already. See, this should work so you don't blow up. Alright guys, so now that we've seen that it works, now we're just gonna replace this little thing right here, put it back, just to be safe. Like that, and like that. Screw it on. Got hot. Screw it on. There you go, guys. Look. See that? It's connected. But yeah guys, that's how you change the adapter to a broken fucking plug. Alright, don't go buy yourself a new machine, just get that motherfucking adapter, $4, connect that shit, boom. When you're on the job site, out there on the field, you could do that shit too real quick. But if you like what you saw today, man, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, the bell button for upcoming videos, and stick around, man.